Hi, this is Kyle Hansen. I'm one of the national trainers here at LG, and I'm just in the showroom admiring our new lineup of Flush Fit dishwashers. So what I found out, we get a lot of questions from people how to activate and deactivate certain functions of the dishwasher. And what I found out, it is super easy to do. All you need to do is pull open the door. There's a label here with a QR code. You simply scan that, and up pops a quick start guide. So the first thing we want to do, as this walks us through it, is put the dishwasher into what they call option setting mode. Simple to do. Hit the power button, then hit the high temp button, and voila, you're there. So a couple popular questions we get, it says, for example, is how to turn off the chime sound at the end of a cycle. Well, it's really simple. Let me see, here we go. All you have to do is hit the heavy button, and it's simply on or off. Simple as that. Another question we get too, can I deactivate the auto open feature with the auto open door? And yes, you can. Again, right from the controls. So let's check the quick start guide here. Looks like all I have to do is hit the remote start button. And again, I can simply turn that feature on or off. It's that simple. And then once all your settings are done, hit the start button and you're ready to get out and enjoy your new LG dishwasher. One other thing I noticed on here too, there's also some great tips on how you can get the most out of your new LG Flush Fit dishwasher. See you next time.